Guys, this free AI tool just blew my mind. It can actually make way better images than Midjourney or Dolly. I tested 5 pics and you gotta see the results inside. Welcome to my very first video. I'm sure you've probably used AI tools like Nano Banana Pro before and hit their limits. But don't worry, I'm here to help you get rid of those limits. All you need to do is follow me step by step until the end of this video. Alright, first things first. Go to the website that I've put in the description or in the comments. After you enter the site, accept the cookies. Once you do that, you should see a page like this. From the top left corner, you can choose the AI model you want to use. And honestly, I'm not exaggerating. This site gives you access to around 30 paid AI models for free. The website is completely safe and legal, so feel free to pick any model you like and enter your prompt. Here, I asked it to create a futuristic sci-fi city, like something humans would build years from now. And after about 50 seconds, it delivered this masterpiece in 2K quality. In the next image, I asked it to create an old city where people used horses instead of cars, and in just a few seconds, with no limits at all, it created another masterpiece. Honestly, this result is almost flawless. Pixel by pixel, it's professionally done, with no watermark, and it looks completely real. If you look closely at the NPCs in the image, you can tell how well it's made. This time, I wanted it to edit an image that I provided myself. So I searched on Google for a picture of a lonely boy, and I felt like this one was perfect. I gave the image to the AI and asked it to place a girl next to the boy, with the same style and graphics so it would look realistic. And this was the result. It genuinely shocked me how real it looked, like the girl had been there from the start. Take a close look at the details and you'll see how insanely well it's done. The name of this AI is Nano Banana Pro, and we used it completely for free.